Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the last class we have discussed about light, types of spherical mirrors and their explanation and the terms used in this chapter. Center of curvature, principal axis, radius of curvature, etc. Now let's discuss about properties of light. Light has rectilinear propagation. Light travels in straight lines. Light shows reflecting phenomena. Now let's discuss about types of images. There are two types of images, that is real image and virtual image. Real image, the image formed by actual intersection of reflection of light is called real image. This can be caught on the screen. Virtual image, the image formed by controlled rays of reflection is called virtual image. This cannot be caught on the screen. Generally, we get a real image by using a concave mirror, except for the object that is placed between pole and vertex. Now let's discuss about Fermat principle. Light chooses the path which takes the least time to travel. It is also applicable to reflection of light. Now, this is also a reason why the light travels in straight lines. Now, let's discuss about rules to draw ray diagrams. Rule 1. Rays coming parallel through the principal axis passes through the focus after reflection. Rule 2. A ray passing through focus will get reflected parallel to the principal axis. Rule 3. Rays coming through center of curvature will retrace its path. Now, these are the three rules to draw ray diagrams of concave mirror. Now, let's discuss how to draw the ray diagrams of a concave mirror. Now, let's take a concave mirror and place an object in series of steps and observe where the image is formed. 1. Object is at infinity. Image is formed at focus and it is a pointed image. 2. Object placed beyond center of curvature. Image is between focus and center of curvature and the image formed is a real, inverted and diminished image. 3. Object placed at center of curvature, means on the center of curvature. In this case, the image forms at center of curvature and the image formed is a real, inverted and same sized of the object, means the image is neither diminished nor enlarged. 4. Object placed between center of curvature and focus. Here the image is formed beyond center of curvature and here image is real, inverted and enlarged image. 5. Object placed on focal point. Here image is formed at infinity because the rays do not converge at a point. 6. Object placed between pole and focal point. Here the image is formed behind the mirror. It is so, as it is formed behind the mirror, it is virtual image and it is erect and magnified image. Now these are the ray diagrams for concave mirror. Now let's discuss some other terminologies used for this chapter. Object distance. The distance between the object and the mirror is called the object distance. It is denoted by small u. The CGS unit of object distance is centimeter and MKS unit of object distance is meter. Image distance. The distance between the image and the mirror is called image distance. It is denoted by small v. The CGS unit of image distance is centimeter and MKS unit of image distance is meter. The another important terminology is magnification. It is defined as the ratio of size of the image to the size of the object, or it is defined as the ratio of image distance to the object distance. It is denoted by small m. Here m is equal to v by u, that is equal to height of the image by height of the object. Now let's discuss about rules to draw the ray diagrams for a convex mirror. Rule 1. A ray coming parallel to the principal axis on meeting the convex mirror will get refracted so as to appear as if it is coming from the focal point. Rule 2. This is converse of Rule 1. A ray traveling in the direction of the focal point after reflection will become parallel to the axis. 3. A ray traveling in the direction of center of curvature will, on refraction, travel in the opposite direction and appears to be coming from the center of curvature. Means it retraces its paths. Now, these are the 3 rules to draw ray diagrams for convex mirror. Now, let's discuss about the ray diagrams of convex mirror. 1. Object placed at infinity. Here, the image formed on focus and it is a virtual, highly diminished and erect image. 2. Object placed beyond center of curvature. Here, image forms between focus and pole and the image formed is virtual, diminished and erect. 3. Object placed on center of curvature. Here, object forms between focus and pole and it is a virtual, diminished and erect image. In today's class, we have discussed about properties of light, magnification, object distance, image distance, and rules to draw concave and convex mirrors and ray diagrams of concave and convex mirrors. Now, that's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching this video.